As far as I'm concerned, it doesn't matter if you're driving tough tracks like this day in and day out, or you're a bit of a weekend warrior and hit the tracks whenever you've got the time. You've got to have a complete recovery kit in the back of your four-wheel drive at all times. This here's the Hercules Complete Recovery Kit, and it's got everything that you need to pull off just about any winch or snatch recovery, plus some cracking bonus bits of gear to help out when you're out four-wheel driving too. You get an 8,000 kilo snatch strap, a 5,000 kilo 10 metre winch extension strap, a 10,000 kilo 3 metre tree trunk protector, snatch block, a pair of bow shackles, a quickie tyre deflator, folding shovel, a winch dampener, a pair of recovery gloves, and a heavy duty storage bag to carry it all in. Every bit of Hercules recovery gear is tested in NATA labs to ensure it well exceeds its load rating. And we're out using the gear every month filming for Full Drive Action, so I can vouch that it works in the real world too. Now, if you're looking for a recovery kit that'll have you covered for every single off-road situation you might find yourself in, you can't go wrong with the Hercules Complete Recovery Kit.